Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fred tutorial. My name is Josh and today I'm going to show you how to create an optical source using an IES file. So before being able to import an IES file, you need to make sure that you have a spectrum already assigned. Here you can see I already have mine labeled as Spectrum 1 in the Spectre folder. And after you've done that, you're going to right click on Optical Sources and select Create New Source from IES File. You can see mine's already opened up to Bell 77. So I'm going to click the file and select Open. And here I'm able to rename my optical source, so I'm going to change it to Bell 77, which is what we've picked. Here's where you'd be able to select your spectrum if you had more than one. And here we can see the number of rays, which I'm just going to keep the same. And since everything's the way I want it, I'm going to select Create Source. And here you can see our source is now in the 3D view. And running a quick ray trace, we can see our rays being traced. And then I can also view its irradiance profile using the irradiance spread function. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to help support all Fred users. And keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.